Hello and welcome to this new lesson in which I'm going to explain to you how you can create a sender email. First, you need to go to gmail.com, and since I already have an account, I have to create another account. Now, you will most likely be redirected to a page like this. Click on Create Account for myself. Now let's write our information to start creating our account. Let's write educational engineering edu-eng team and write your password. Then confirm it and click next. Once you click next, you will be asked to enter your mobile number and your recovery email address. I will enter my recovery email address without my phone number, and you need to enter your birth information. Then enter your gender. Now click next. Once you click next, you can click I agree to their term of service. That's it. This is our new Gmail account, and you need to make sure that you have your email name written correctly. Now there is one more step that you need to do before moving forward. You need to open up or allow less secure app access to your Gmail account. This is a temporary account. You shouldn't use it for, let's say, a personal emailing, because you will allow less secure app access so that ESP board can access this account and send emails using this account. To do that, you need to go and write Gmail less secure apps in Google or anywhere. Now, as you can see, you will get this myaccount.google.com/less-secure-apps. Click once and make sure that you are using the right email account, which is this one. As you can see, eduengteamenglish@gmail.com, and click this sign. Now, once you click this sign, as you can see in this description, some apps and devices use less secure sign-in technology, which makes your account vulnerable. You can turn off access for these apps, which Google recommends, or turn it on if you want to use them despite the risks. And we want to use them despite the risks. Google will automatically turn this setting off if it is not being used. That's why it was off. Now we did turn it on because we want to allow ESP board to access our Gmail account easily without issues, because when you access your Gmail account from unknown devices, you get or Google treats it as a security threat. So we are allowing less secure apps to get access to this new Gmail account so that we are able to send emails. Now, in the next lesson, we are going to start coding, and I'll add more information about SMTP server settings for Gmail, Outlook, and Hotmail accounts. But that's it for this lesson. All what you need to do is create an account, a new account, and allow less secure app access. Thanks for watching. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering Team.